Right, so it's the boot's loaded up because I took this out for a drive, just round the block sort of thing, just enough to get the battery working. Bit of harsh acceleration and stuff, usual sort of thing, and it's not. There's no problem. Well, it's not coding. Let's put it that way. I've yet to put the thing on it, but I don't know what tube is. Yeah, I need to, I guess, turn this on, and then we can see. But the battery's showing some reasonable charge. I'm able to actually engage EV mode, I reckon. Yeah, there it is. You can see there's no actual lights. I know it's flickering on the screen, but there's no lights showing up, and it's actually turned on, or else it wouldn't show EV mode, of course. And oh damn it, I took the card out again to try and copy up the data, so it's not there, so that's why it's not working. But basically I took the car around the block. It's not great, but at least it's not, there's no lights coming up, there's no problems, it's not showing a problem sort of thing. So the engine's coughing and spluttering. I'm guessing it's because the VVTi, the variable valve stuff, uses the oil, and the oil's mixing with water, so the pressure's wrong, so it's probably altering the valve timing wrongly now. So the next thing for this one, I believe, is now the engine. We can forget about the battery. Maybe there'll be a problem to address in the future, but right now it's working, there's no codes, so we're good.